Hey everyone, welcome back to another live stream. Weird hour for different hour for a live stream. I just wanted to make some changes today. Just stream at 2 p.m. instead of 11. I don't know why. I mean, just felt like it, and just want to work on this cargo-tui project out of nowhere. Got some feedback for my changes yesterday, so I was like, okay, let's just address them quickly. Feels a bit weird because the time of the day is different, and also it's bright outside and I look like a ghost on those live stream. But anyways, it's all good. As always, if you're watching, if you joined, or if you're watching this recording later, feel free to use the chat or use the comment section to shoot your questions or say whatever. If you're watching this now, please comment rat. Thank you. So, what are we doing? Well, I get some review feedback yesterday, right after I created the PR actually. So we're just gonna address that, I think, and just see where this thing goes. Welcome to the live stream, everybody. Welcome. Feel free to say hi if you're lurking. Keep lurking, I guess. I don't know what to say. Just chill. Get hydrated. Since when authors is deprecated actually? Rust cargo manifest. Hello, I'm doing good, Mr. At or Miss At. I don't know. How's it going? I'm just chilling, just working on stuff. This is deprecated. Okay, since when? I didn't know this was deprecated. Okay. Okay, so what do I need to use, or do I just remove that? This field is deprecated, but there's no explanation. Why YouTube do at? I have no idea. I am Kuzey. Nice to meet you, man. Authors deprecated. Okay. I guess it's deprecated because it's not being used at all, or something else. I have no idea. But this is news to me. Cargo tumble. I'm trying to find the exact reference to why it's deprecated. Anyways, I'm just gonna remove it then. All right. Note in cargo, all of this will be under source ops tree. Oh. Wait. Source core dependency. Okay, one sec. Let me just take a look at that. Ops tree, okay. So we have dependency Okay, let me just pull up the cargo code base actually. So right now I'm basically trying to understand where to put my modules. So in cargo we have core. I don't think we can add that stuff to core. Finally, I started to develop with Rust editor with Swift UI and Rust logic. Try to understand modulus UniFFI REDs. That sounds very fun. Interesting topic. What are you? Okay, got it. Editor. Nice. Sounds a bit deep too. Source ops tree. So everything will be here, right? So I think I'll just remove ops. No, remove core, remove util. Then there is a util, but should be an ops tree. Okay, got it. Yeah. Alright, got it. So I think I'm gonna just create a TUI module here. Move the state to TUI. And then util. Move all of these stuff here. Move the util completely. Hey Orhun, are you still in Ankara? Yes. I think that's... It's kind of alright. What does this thing contains actually? Draw. I'm wondering if I should name these stuff TUI state or just state or I don't know. I'm thinking about names. Naming, one sec. This felt like it's just too bright, so just draw the blinds. Okay. So these stuff will be in tree. Oops, tree TUI. Now I need to fix the imports. I think I'm just gonna rename these to state rs, widget rs, Oh no. Oh no. It will just like create some conflict with the tui state. Then I'm just gonna rename this to widget state or as. Great, there's a small community called Python cargo-tui. Have you ever heard of it before? Yeah, I think I saw some stuff about it on LinkedIn the other day. Okay, and then need to define the modules, I think. I think I'm just gonna call this state rs. Yeah, that's clean. Do you have any plans to come to New York? Dude, if I can get the visa for that, for sure. I just want to visit, but that's fucking impossible at this point because, you know, all the shit going on there. They gave me a appointment for 1.5 years from now on, literally. And at that point I won't have the same passport at all, so I don't know. I can't. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, but I can't come. It's impossible. It's really difficult. Yeah. Would you like to stop by and say hi? We don't have a schedule, but we are having at least one every month. Yeah, sure. I can just stop by. I don't do any Python, but sure, that would be nice. I think. Maybe drop me a message on LinkedIn or somewhere. Just reach out somewhere. When do you guys meet up next time? When is the next thing? Do they actually use super imports here? Yeah, they do. Okay then. Wait. Yeah, that's great. Thank you. And thank you for the invite. I'll just try to... I mean, just a disclaimer, I'll probably talk about Rust. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, what's wrong now? Private. Wait, what did I import? What do we need? Tree widget state. Okay. Widget state. There you go. Yeah, that's great. That's great. I'm totally down. Totally down for that. The next event date has not been yet announced. Gotcha. Where is failing? So it's in tree tui state, and this is in... Damn. Okay, should be good now. Perfect. It's a deal. I want to just merge these imports. Just want to merge these imports. Okay, there you go. Tui. Yeah, for sure. Guys, I'm infiltrating into some Python devs, so pretty excited about that. I'm just gonna be the Rust agent. Alright. Did quite a bit of a refactor. Resolve. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna resolve this one too. So we have only 2 open things here. Let me see if it actually works now. Your Rust agent. Yeah, sure. You can meet him. Guys, nobody asked the question, what are you building? So I think I'm just going to show you now. So this is what we are building. It's like a tree dependency tree, interactive dependency tree in the terminal for your Rust dependencies. And I'm just building this for cargo, the package manager. So you have cargo-tui. This will be the cargo-tui command or something like that, which is going to be used for exploring dependencies interactively. It's gonna be pretty fun, I think. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm gonna fix the clippy stuff. Can we just fix it? Okay, save it. Cool stuff. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna just refactor that function anyway, so it's probably fine. Alright, we fixed some clippy stuff. Let me just add that into the last commit, force push. It's going to be something like if you send a link that's not showing up for me, YouTube chat just blocks links, so you can just tell me the name of the thing that you want me to check out, or I don't know. YouTube chat is annoying. What's GPS command? GPS command is just like checks my location, and if my location, no, it's just like git push. Yeah, GPS. Alright, we have another comment here. Where it makes sense, please use styles defined in here. We can always add a rustlang adapter at and style. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Note, and style is specifically designed to go in public APIs and for intro between packages. Okay. Okay, so cargo style. Yeah, it's an alias, basically. These are just like and styles, and these are basically colors. Okay, so we need a Ratatouille adapter for and style them. Okay, then we'll just do that, I guess. But this is the fork. I think we need to contribute here instead. Yeah. Alright. Let's just add a Ratatouille adapter for that. And style cross term. Going to the gym, have a nice stream. Thank you, man. Have a nice session. Hopefully you'll become this guy. One sec. I'll just show you. Hopefully you'll become this guy one day. Boom. All right. Yeah, jacked, rat, let's go. Alright, so I'm just gonna use AI for this, guys. Just gonna give this task to Codex. It's very straightforward. Yeah. I was planning to work on the scrolling in the stream. Hopefully we'll have time for that. But it's been only 24 minutes, so I mean, I'm aiming for 2 hours, so we have time. Which one do you prefer, Codex, Clerk, or Warp, or Gemini? Gemini. So I prefer Codex because it's using Ratatouille. That's a solid reason for me. And it's just, it's cool. And one of my friends and also maintainer of Ratatouille works there. So we have a direct contact. If I have feedback for Codex, you can just reach out to him or create an issue and talk to him and stuff. So it feels pretty good. It gives me like a confidence using that tool because I know that he's working on it and he's great. So yeah. But I mean, everything is the same these days, so it's just AI agents, I guess. I dropped out for a couple of seconds, but I should be back now, I believe. Implement a Ratatouille adapter for style Ratatouille for converting colors, etc. Style Ratatouille. Use 0.29 version. All right. Let's take a look at the issues while this is working on stuff. collapse down the off-screen part of the tree location into the top bar. I've seen this kind of thing used in various places to help people be aware of their current location. Something like, oh, when combined with 6, they could be colored by what they are. Yeah, got it. Got it. That's pretty cool. It's a good idea. So it basically says if you scroll down on this list, there will be like a top bar which shows where you're at in the TUI currently. We don't have scrolling yet, but we'll have that hopefully later. Yeah, so many PRs come in for the TUI right now. I'm just getting emails for those things. I should do a Ratworks live stream at some point and just do maintenance. So for scrolling, let me just see the scroll bar widget too. So we have a scroll bar state. So for the scroll bar integration, we need to have the total length of the tree. We need the position, and that's probably it. But how do we get that from our current structure? Let me just think about it. So if I hit where am I right now? Okay. So when I hit this item here, if I press down one more time, we should scroll the whole thing to the bottom. And to get that, we need to get the current height of the, no, not the current height. Current height of the tree. So to get the height of the available area, we can maybe set that on the state. I don't have access to those functions though. This is the main loop. So while iterating stuff here, we need to I'm still thinking. scrolling and only rendering visible items is they are different problems basically. So how does the TUI RS tree widget is doing that? I think it just tracks the last area or something. Yeah. Last area contains position, so rendered at. It has a function called rendered at. Where does it actually set the last area? It's in the stateful widget. Last rendered identifiers. It has a built-in scroll bar. Oh, that's cool. Some flattened logic as well. I think I can add the scroll bar to it too. So to do that, you basically go I just saw the chat messages. How does it work? By checking the log file. I don't know what you asked about. It was 7 minutes ago. Sorry, I didn't see the messages. Music is banging, hell yeah. Just gonna add the scroll bar to it, I think. Scroll bar. Okay, there's an issue linked to this. RFC design of scrollable widgets. Okay, this is not really relevant to us. How do you actually calculate these things? Okay, I don't have any of these stuff. yet. I think first step would be integrating the scroll bar to see how that would look like. Take a look at my changes. I want to integrate scroll bar widget. Okay, let's just give it that. So what is going on here? Would you like to run the following command? Yeah. Oh, Unicode bit is causing problems here. Is it? Okay, they're using that. Damn. It sucks a bit. Yo, my rat. Yo, how's it going, Roland? So I think they're using Unicode with it. .2, and what are we using in rustlang? 0.22. How do I see the dependencies? I need to see the dependencies. Okay. Unicode with 0.20. Okay. And that's pinned. That might be a problem. Hello. It's nice to see you stream my time. Yeah, just making a difference today. Just want to do it at a different hour. So I think how they do it is it just flattens the items. Maybe I will need something like that too, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, just add the dependency, man, come on. Can you catch me up on today's grind? Yeah, just building cargo-tui. That's all. Just this thing basically. Just interactive tree for dependencies. Cargo permission error, man, just come on. Okay, let's see the implemented thing. Looks good to me. Oh my god, this is overkill. What is viewport height? Nope. That's really bad. That's really bad. I think what I want is I want to add these methods to state or the widget respectively. All right. Let's see if this works. Nope. It doesn't work. Great. What? What the hell? It's just scrolling through the wrong... Oh my god. Are you serious? What are you scrolling? Just like scrolls the viewport. How? How did you even do that? Nope, I'm just reverting these changes. What else have changed in selected visible index? What did I change in mod RS though? Oh, vertical right. I think that was the problem. But I didn't like the implementation. Anyways. I think I'm just gonna create a... Oh, this is like the position. Okay, vertical right. That makes sense then. Okay, so scroll bar state. Content linked. How am I planning to get the content linked from this actually? I should probably... Should get the whole length of this thing, so I'm gonna go to widget state and add a new function. Height turns the total height of the visible nodes. Not the length actually. Get the visible nodes. Get the lines on each one. Sum them up. Yeah, something like this maybe. Dependency. So dependency children count. I need the children count. Get how many lines it takes to, yeah. Okay, I need to get the display lines. Should this be recursive? Probably. Maybe recursive. I'm just gonna give this a shot. In the meantime, we can just check the other stuff. So we have added the end style, rustlang adapter for end style. Sorry, my back is killing me. Okay, and start rustlang cargo build. Seems like it's working. Literally the same thing. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. This is not a public function. Oh, it actually is a public function. So, okay, we can get that using that thing then. Height state visible nodes. At position. I need the position function now. I think we had that just now. Catch you later. See you, man. Selected index. Selected position, maybe. Selected position, let's do that. I think something like this would work. All right, there you go. Selected position. Now we can generate this scroll bar state, scroll bar area, and just render it. First, doing the job of of being a moderator. Thanks. Enough moderating for today. Absolutely. Grindhouse mentioned. Oh, we have an OG Grindhouse member here. How's it going, man? Just chilling, man. Just chilling and working on stuff. Grinding. Just grinding. Right, we should have a scroll bar now, guys. Where's my scroll bar? It's nowhere. What? What is going on? I'm gonna try to debug this 1 second. I'm just gonna add a title to the blog. $200 IQ move. Alright, height is 40. The height is like the total height of the visible nodes. So I cannot go beyond 26. What the hell? So now it's like... Oh, the height should be the visible... Oh, okay. Saturating... Yeah, there you go. Now check this out. Nope. Still not working. I'm doing some things wrong, guys. Hello, welcome to the stream. What is poppin'? That's the height, and the position is... I don't get this. It should show a scroll bar. Or maybe not. No, it should actually. What the hell? Here's my scroll bar. So you have 3 items here. Items length and vertical scroll. Vertical scroll 0. Maybe it's because we don't have any symbols or something. I don't think that's the reason, but we can just try. Maybe it's because I'm rendering the block on top of scroll bar. It would be funny if that's the reason. Let's see. Yeah, that was the reason. God damn. Okay. So we have a scroll bar now. It should not render when it's like this though. So if it's like if if position is less than height, if position is just don't render it. Wait, what? I think I need to adjust this, maybe +3. Actually +4. Why the hell the height is 3? What the hell is that? I don't get that. Height is 3, literally. Oh, is it because... it's supposed to be 0, I think. And let's do something like this. This is a bit weird. Maybe I should not subtract the height of the whole area. I should. So in this case, there's no scroll bar, which makes sense. If I zoom in a little bit, the height will be 5. So maybe I should just subtract the okay, I don't know. Start position. I had to figure this out somehow. It should not exceed the position. Yeah, this should fix it. So now it's rendering only when it goes out of the available area, which is what I want. Like this. It's a bit weird though. Conditions are a bit weird. So what's the problem now? Let's see. The scroll bar is always visible, but it's only visible for the stuff available in the area. It's not bad though, I can work with this probably. But I want to scroll the items. So I want to skip some stuff. So I want to like skip the items when I hit the bottom. So I start from, so basically like a scrolling effect. You know what I mean? But I don't know how that will actually work. What am I doing, man? Format. Pose height. There you go. Okay, very basic. I think I will just work with this. So when I hit the bottom, what is this lineage thing? Okay. Let's call this tree height. Okay, something like, let's offset scroll offset. No, have a nice day, guys. Yeah, take care. Take good care of yourself. So we have some kind of offset now. So I'm gonna use that offset. Hello, Link, how's it going? Use this offset for when the position hits the bottom of the bottom of screen. It always stays at the bottom, and we skip nodes to create Okay, I'm just gonna try it. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna scrap it. Just lurking. Nice. In the meantime, you can check the end style crate, I think. Ratatouille style, okay. Ratatouille color. Yeah, I mean, looks good. You can turn the music off like Sardicopa with what you say while the music is on. No. I guess no. I think if there's no music, you'll just like listen to nothingness. So let's just do it. I think it's very depressing that way. README doc tests. We don't have any doc tests in the README though. It means you don't impose anything to others. What do you mean, dude? Dude, if you don't like the music, then just tell me what to play. Let's play what you like. Okay, then I guess this live stream is not for you. So, did this thing actually do something? Let's see. What is lines here? What is lines? Oh, okay. Photo lines. I mean, seems fine, kind of. Let's see if it actually works. Yeah. The scroll bar is still broken though. No worries. Thanks for stopping by, I guess. Man, so many stuff to do. I'm just getting emails about rustlang, like maintenance. Maintenance stuff. Yeah. GitHub notifications. Okay, the scrolling works, but the scroll bar is broken. Also, I'm not sure if I want to render all the lines, because if I do that, it's gonna be really slow. For example, if I run this thing in, I don't know, Git cliff, maybe. Actually, it's not slow. But yeah, I mean, I don't think we need to render all the lines. Somehow works though. The scroll is a bit annoying. Because it's just always like at the bottom. so it's not very usable. But I mean, it kind of works, so it just proves that it is doable. I'm getting emails still. God damn, guys, stop doing stuff. You cannot just stop the time. Okay. I'm just gonna do the end style PR now, I think. End style, rustlang. What has changed in end style is 3G. Let me just commit this. Add style. rustlang. Without these changes, I think we get this, yeah. Wait, I think I forgot to comment something. Oh, I think I made a mistake. God damn. Yeah, 1 sec. relax the with requirement for style SVG. And style cargo-tui depends on code width. I think 0.20 or something like that. Zero point two point two. 0.20. Let me actually add the conflict. Actually, let me just no, I can just create a PR now. As this cost in here. Pairs up. Maybe I should just add a trait. No. Okay. I think I'm done, guys. I'm just gonna go now. Anything else? Just addressed all the comments on the PR and did a bit of scrolling work. Still got a lot of stuff to do, but yeah, for now I think I'm done. Anyways, I guess take care. I'll see you in the next one.